So the fire is getting hot, people. This is part 2. Got my grill master right here.
What's up, guys?
And we're about to put it on.
Get it lit right now, baby.
Put my shrimp on in 5, 4. This gotta go down a little bit first.
Yeah. And them cold catching good right now. Cold on fire on the back.
So I'll be back, guys.
Yeah.
So you already seen my kebabs, what they look like. Fire's ready for them.
Just about. She's kind of like, you know, going down a little. Bread is pretty hot right now. You feel that heat, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Kebabs.
So here to the vlog.
What's up, vlog world? What's up, peace and love, fam? How you doing? Oh, yeah.
This is gonna be delicious, people.
This is awesome.
That way.
Yeah, baby. That way. Hear that grill? Oh, sizzling like a mother. Probably gotta like rotate them. Whatever's in the front, I go in the back soon. So forth and so forth.
Smelling that garlic already.
I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. My chef assistant.
Hold this. Alright, guys, I'm gonna check back in when, you know, when it's that time.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys, I added a little sauce and flipped it. A little bit left. That's what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like, guys. This is the finished product. Please look at my potatoes, a little charred, but that's how I like it. Yummy. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, peace out. Stay blessed.